Hello guys, so we are gonna be playing some Roblox.
Mali ka na, Ma.
I'm recording. So first, what we gonna play?
Ma. Okay na.
Let's definitely play infection outbreak. Let's go! Remove that. Wait. That's better. Okay. Now we go here. Now we go here. What the frick? I'm already recording on 1 minute. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, get that.
Oh my gosh.
Okay guys, we're gonna attack some furries. They already attacked the can I pick up the Easter egg though? Please. Where did I got stuck? So there are armor here. No. Oh, maybe it's here. A spatula and another Easter egg. 95. A pipe. Please, anyone here? Hello? No one. I'm gonna take over this. IDKY6.
Nagtago pala ng sasakyan mo. Sabi natin na nagtago lang ng sasakyan.
Are you saying bro, stop. Oh, yeah. Hey! I need the weapons. I need is Bro literally so new to the game that Bro literally got in there. And that's the I thought that was that. You pranked me. Oh man. I'm gonna attack bro. Oh. She literally ran away. Good job, bro. You're just killed. I bet someone's gonna spawn. Or just someone is just gonna dance in front of us like or like this. Okay, back to thing. Is bro getting chased again? Attack bro! Attack bro! Attack bro! Is bro loud? That's loud, but you still don't take 1 million damage. I don't care if you're there, I don't care. I already take damage. Okay. You need some blocks to
Mama, may nilagang itlog pa dun ah. Sira na? Nasa labas, baka matapon yun.
Bro's new to the game. Yes. Yes. Bro's still a starter. Huh?
Sarap ma. Masarap ba? Sarap. Ma, masarap ma. Masarap daw. Mahinan.
Bro, oh! Get up, chicken up. Come on. You die!
Wala man silang nilagay dyan. At yung inistim ko lang.
Sarap ng kalamansi.
Nilagyan ko na ng asin. Hindi ko na lagyan.
Bro thought she could. Bro thought she could catch me. But now she's. Oh, she's right hiking. She does know. And that's it. No! Massive. No, no, no! How is bro eating infected? Bro sleeping just. You come to me! Oh! What did you do? No! I'ma attack you. Or else. The original thing before they go. No! Yo, is she lagging? Bro, she is. Oh, nah, she's not. She's not lagging. She's not lagging. I forgot I was recording. I Nakalimutan ko that I was recording. Bro, what the frick? How the frick is Bill standing? Can I please move my camera? Can I? Hey, prick you! Get it, get it. Save. Get him! Get it! Save. Okay, bye guys. We're gonna continue this later. Bye.